Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software, simplicity and precision, precise entry, precise stop, precise target. How price collapsed from critical target is a very powerful reminder. You never enter into reversal zone. Complete collapse from this target for 6 points. What do you see right now? Intelligent trader knew this hours and days in advance. This is extremely aggressive place to trade. Powerful pullback is crucial. Here is why. Market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. This is a critical level in front of you. We identify all of this well before market open. If price crashes through this level, it's a gift. If not, markets will be extremely aggressive. Trading will be very difficult. This is day trader's dream. This is where price was the entire last week. This is institutional entry points. Vicious buying is on. And you know this with Alpha Fibonacci system, days, weeks, months ahead. So when bullish rally overextended, you understand this is not the place to buy. This is key level. For the last 2 hours, price been bouncing from this level for a very clear reason. This is day trading support. Key moment in front of you now. So if I convert this chart to 5, what do you see? This is the market for the last 2 hours. Key moment now. Intelligent trader understands bullish rally exhausted. Sellers and buyers are weak. If we crash through this level, it's a gift. Success rate on shorting near this level, less than 20%. And again, and again, and again, here is a reminder why intelligent trader would not short the green zone. Non-stop bullish pullbacks for the last 2 hours, of course. So if we stuck in this, trading will be brutal and very aggressive. Shorts in serious trouble. Intelligent conservative trader understands. Only when you trade strategically, only when you trade intelligently, you become successful. What is the best option this morning for market to crash? Lower and lower, one step at a time. If we are stuck here, it's not a good news. Only extremely aggressive longs. We know this very clearly. It's a bold green line. Alpha Fibonacci software showing you this. You do not short into bold green line. It's a day trading support. That's it. Extremely aggressive longs at overextended rally. No shorts near this level. Never, ever, ever. Intelligent trader understands with simplicity of the system. This is very overextended rally, correct? And the response is no surprise. Not the place to short near. Never, ever, ever. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Simply play by the rules. And when you do, the sky's the limit. This is the most important part. To have the rules you trade with. No rules, no trade. Speculation and day trading is a very expensive sport. Obeying the rules is the only path to success. You do not chase junk indicators. You do not chase cheap systems. You're an intelligent trader. Because if JP Morgan trader doesn't chase indicators, if Goldman trader doesn't chase cheap systems, why in the world would you? I know I mentor them. That's it. It's black and white. It's simple. Only when you focus on pure price, you become successful. This is what Bitcoin looks like. This is what Amazon looks like. This is what any chart looks like. You decide what chart you want to trade. This is the only option this morning. This is day trader's dream. This requires very different skill. But how market bounced is no surprise. Not a place to short. That's it. Intelligent trader understands that buying as low as possible, buying with institutions, is a day trader's dream. This is very high day trading support. This is not institutional buy zone. Bullish rally overextended, but simplicity of the system in front of you each and every day. Last week, day trader's dream. If you did not buy last week at these levels, if you shorted anywhere near these levels, if you witnessed Alpha Fibonacci system in this trading room during FOMC, you knew all of this days in advance. That's it. Simplicity and power. Now, extremely high. Now, extremely expensive. And that's a very different trading. Every day you have only two options, to buy or to sell. Every day you're focusing on simplicity. We're at the bold red line. This is not the place to buy. And if this will become your trading range, it's the exact same thing on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on Euro, on Pound, on oil, on gold, on any instrument you choose to trade. I work with all of the traders who trading these instruments now. In the trading room, you see instantly simplicity of the system. In the trading room, you see instantly that blocking pure price with indicators is a waste of time. And if price continue bouncing between these levels, the rest of the day you are not surprised. You are never shorting near bold green line. Never, ever, ever. And that's a picture-perfect reminder. Know your trading range, obey simplicity of the system. Nothing less. And with the power of the scanner, that's all you will ever need. But the only thing is clear. If institutions buying, why in the world would you short? If day trading support respected, why in the world would you short? You don't allow your testosterone trade for you. You can control yourself. You can control your ego. You can control your greed. And when you do, you start enjoying this game. No matter what you trade. And when you get to the point that with a single glimpse you see when to be glued to the screen and when not, that's it. This is a problem. This level in front of you. Institutions can buy anywhere. Institutions already in significant profit. Institutions trading without stop. If you trade with stop and you trade your own account, it's a very different trading. And that's a crucial, critical part. And again, and again, and again, to remind you, the favorite event of the last week, rates are not raised. FOMC is here. So how is it possible that we're discussing this is not the place to buy, the only option to short from these levels? Do you remember that part? That's what price does non-stop, reminding you. Focus on price and the sky's the limit. If price at Alpha Fibonacci resistance and reversal zone, entering into is not a smart thing, even if rates are not raised. Let's go back to January 26. That's it. Remember that part. Let's go back to January 25th. All of this play out in this trading room. This is a market. This is day trader's dream. The entire last week we discussed it's institutional buy week. The only exception when price come here and we have bullish news after FOMC and rates are not raised. No one in their clear mind pulling a trigger and buying the markets at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone that you know hours, days, weeks in advance. Bullish news does not mean a thing. S&P in free fall. Oops. If trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. And that's the place to buy. This is not. And that's where price is struggling now. Is anyone surprised? It's a bold red line. It's right now. On any chart you choose to trade. So only if price stages spectacular bearish pullback, market will become easy. If not, and price is stuck at this level, in exact same place where market collapsed from after FOMC, not a good news. Sellers are worthless, buyers are tired. Not a pretty combo. Agree? And that's what intelligent trader understands. Single glimpse. That's it. We need spectacular bearish pullback. Without spectacular bearish pullback, market will be brutal. Single glimpse is all you need. Bullish rally overextended. Obey the rules. Obey Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Obey Alpha Fibonacci resistance. And that's the market right now. And that's a very different market before. Price can be stuck here for the next 2 hours. We need bearish, powerful pullback. We have zero interest in weakness. And that's how intelligent trader trades. Trades played out on multiple charts, software converted to 3. I can convert software to any chart. In front of you, simplicity. In front of you, purity. On any chart you choose to trade. I like converting chart to 1 so you can see instantly what happens if you buy near bold red line. Ouch, not a good idea. And spectacular fake out at the market open that reminded you, do not short near green line, is expected. This is all that plays out on every instrument. And if we're stuck in junk, and if we're stuck in weakness, nothing here to trade. Only brokers heaven. We need sell-off, we need a crash. Nothing less. And if that does not play out, intelligent trader not pulling a trigger. Intelligent trader obeys Alpha Fibonacci rules. That's the only way you become successful. If you think and trade as institutional trader does, right now only pain is present. There are no sellers. Sellers are weak. Avoid the pain, obey the rules. Class after the close of the trading room. So how Tesla sold off is exactly how S&P sold off. Correct? It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Spectacular earnings don't mean a thing. Tesla in free fall. From 1200 until 800. $400 per share. Identical thing on every instrument. You decide what you want to trade. Identical moment in front of you right now. We need sell-off, not a weakness. Only when rules are met, intelligent trader would take a trade. Sellers are worthless, sellers are weak. There is no bearish power, only weakness is present. Intelligent trader avoids the baits. Intelligent trader understands. Only if you play by Alpha Fibonacci rules, you become successful. Now, market in pain. Now, it's broker's heaven. But it's exact same thing on gold before the crash. Agree? That's it. First pain, then the crash. We need the crash on S&P, not the pain. That's it. Where the bold red line, did you short the market or did you buy? That's it. Black and white and simple. Every single thing we discuss with students, each and every day before the market. This is what we discussed in the trading room last week. This. So when you understand the power of the puzzle, when you understand the rules, the sky's the limit. Rules in class. Taught after the close of the trading room. So again, traders, as we discussed with my students, this is counter trend short. Intelligent trader understands and knows. Sellers are weak. Intelligent trader understands why bold pink line is a problem. All the rules in every class. That's simplicity, that's power. This is expected. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs. All the details in class. In the trading room, you see the system. In the live markets, in the class, you learn the rules. So when you short against institutions, this is expected to be a problem. That's it. And when I work with hedge fund manager in Switzerland, who is trading oil, gold, Forex, crypto with Alpha Fibonacci system, what is the course worth? You are looking at precision. There is no surprise. It's a junky little short. This is what happens if you trade against institutions. Correct? All the details in class. I do not teach in the trading room. I teach in class. So here's identical level on Apple. In 2016, I presented the world's biggest hedge fund convention. What do I say? Worst earnings don't mean a thing if Alpha Fibonacci support remains respected. Of course, it's not possible to wait to see the power of the system, but you see it in front of you in the trading room. This is what happened on Apple after price bounced from key support and doubled in value and reached the next level. And reached the next level. Remember that part, the reversal zone? And when Apple crashes through this level, you know where to buy Apple. All precise, there is no surprise. S&P is doing exact same thing this morning. But the only way you can trade the system if you learn the rules. and you know how to apply the system and how to apply the software. Identical precision this morning on S&P as on Apple. On Apple, it's your long-term position for the last 5 years. On S&P, it's right now. And that's the difference. And that's precision on any instrument you choose to trade. Black and white. So again and again and again, with students we prepare for the markets every single morning. With students we discuss preparation for your trade. We discussed with students this morning, sellers are worthless, buyers remain in power. Overextended bullish rally reached critical, crucial, key support present in the trading room for the last few weeks, present with ultimate precision this morning. No speculation, ultimate precision in front of you. We dissected everything with students this morning. All the details in 300 videos plus 7 modules and live classes. Doesn't matter if you're in New York or Australia or Dubai or Saudi Arabia or Zurich. Doesn't matter if you have $5,000 account or $5 billion account. Apply the rules. Decide what you want to trade. We knew extremely well, buyers remain fully in charge if this support is out. We knew extremely well that this is not the place to short. So if you decided to short when you understand the system, this is weakness of the sellers. Identical on Apple after worst earnings. Identical. And time and time again reminding you, simplicity of bold red line. That's it. Do you want to trade Apple? Or do you want to trade gold? Or do you want to trade euro? Choice is yours. If I go back to gold, to July 2020, this is gold. July 2020, this is gold. And this is when gold sold off. Can you do that? 14-year-old boy can. Complete beginner trader with whom I'm doing another podcast this morning can. 2 weeks. That's it. But in order to do this, you need to come to classes. I do not teach in the trading room. I teach in the class after trading room. Now gold in pain at the bottom. Bold pink line holding the key. It's identical level on gold in 2020 as on S&P. Eventually gold crashed through this level. Took a while. Price the same everywhere. One step at a time. One step at a time. And that's every single market. And that's every single instrument. You identify what you want to trade. That's it. No speculation. One thing is clear. Golden pain. What is the problem on gold? Bold pink line. Identical level that took gold 2 months to break through. 2 months. Right now it's resistance. But it's in front of you on S&P this morning. It's in front of you every single day. without any delays. Sellers are weak. Sellers are worthless. Institutions keep buying everything. But it makes a world of difference if you're buying here or if you're buying here or if you're buying here or if you're pulling a trigger randomly after FOMC when S&P collapsed 200 points. Very bullish news. Ouch. Not. So trade with Alpha Fibonacci rules. As price reminded you again and again and again. Market did not crash through this support. Market bounced with vengeance. That's it. But it's a world of difference. If you're buying here versus at key, much better level. And that's the system in front of you this morning. That's it. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. So if you like to join us, please request invitation to the trading room if you like to see the system in the live markets. But if you're tired of chasing indicators, if you're tired of losing money, if you're ready to become quality institutional trader, I look forward to working with you. I teach you extremely powerful system that you can apply to any instrument you choose. You can day trade, position trade, you can apply options, listen to our podcast channel, view students' performance and understand why fathers bring their children, why husbands bring their wives, and how can go from almost homelessness to supporting family of 5. Every single one of these traders is my dearest friend for life. But every single one of these traders trade different instrument, trade different time frame. Theo keeps coming back every day, 2 o'clock in the morning in Australia. So simply choose from option appropriate for you. When you're signing up for the group course, second option, the most powerful, because it allows you to view videos 24/7, come to live classes, and apply the system for any platform or software for Ninja 8. In private mentoring, I'm very tough. I give you assignments, I test you, I quiz you. I show you when you are ready to trade. I help you to identify if you're meant to be day trader or not. We work in stages. Preparation for your trade, institutional zones, day trading levels, then we move to execution. And that's a crucial part. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. But please, view everything on a home page first. I always look forward to speaking with you, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. Price reminded you again and again and again the simplicity and purity of the system. But in order to trade, you must attend classes or view videos. Bold green line was never broken to the downside this morning. And that's a very powerful lesson. Trade with institutions and not against them. And when you do, with Alpha Fibonacci rules, the skies are the limit.